Hey y'all, I hope it's going all good this holiday season, and I figured it's time that we upgrade the audio of the channel. There's no better way to do that right now than with this, the Rode Wireless Go audio system. So let's crack this open. There's another seal out here, right inside the box. The first thing inside the box is a little bit of a quick start that shows the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver has a nice display that shows battery levels for both the transmitter as well as the receiver. And there's a bit of info on how you put it on your lab and use it. There's a lovely aroma that's coming out of the box, an aroma of newness. Yeah, this is the cable that you're going to be using to connect your camera, not your cell phone. If you want to use it with the cell phone, you're going to need another cable, which will come to you. A couple of wind muffs in here, neat, small as ever. A little bit of documentation, warranty information and stuff. And oh, there's also a sweet carrying case inside here that is Velcro closed. Now, putting all this stuff aside, let's get in the main bit of the box. A couple of USB-C cables that are coming along with this to charge the transmitter as well as the receiver, so you're not going to be left out charging one at a time to charge both. And you know, that's a sweet cable organizer by Rode there. So let's get this unclipped, and yep, that is it. It's so small and so cute. Couple of LEDs on there, one for the connectivity, one for the charging, another port if you want to attach another lav mic on it and not use this one. The wind muff fits right in there in that socket, snaps in straight just like that. So this is our receiver, and it's got a nice little LCD on it. Let's power this on right away with a click of the power button for 3 seconds. Was mentioned, and yep, there it is. We're live. It's alive. It's got some good level of battery. Good to go, I guess, straight up, and it's already been paired as well, so nothing to worry. Okay, so now if you want to use this with a cell phone, you're going to be needing this, the SC7, which is the TRS patch cable. The one that comes along with it is only good for cameras. Alright, so I can't wait to just simply try it out right now. You can now hear me with the Rode Wireless Go mic on my lab, and I can literally tell you it's such a convenient setup. I hope you guys are going to be liking the audio from now on. Outdoor there, no more crows, no more other noises. Clear sound.